Hey, I'm Curtis Bartis and welcome back to another video. So into today's video, I'm just going to keep it short and show you the new feature Luno offers, or the new stablecoin I should say, that Luno offers on their platform. So if you're new to the channel, please do me the honor by subscribing, because on this channel we share a lot of information that can be useful and you will always learn something new on this channel. So do the honor by subscribing and leaving a like. So let's get right into today's video. So today I'm going to show you the new feature or the new coin Luno offers on their platform. So the coin Luno has added to their catalog of coins is USDC coin. So USDC coin is a stable coin that compares 1-to-1 to the US dollar. So it is one USDC coin is $1. So like Luno has the learn feature. If you want to learn more about it, I'm not going to go into depth. All the information is there for your disposal. What is the USDC? USDC is a stable coin. A stable coin is a cryptocurrency that peg to a single underlying asset or a basket of asset. In this case, USD is pegged to a single asset, the USD dollar. Essentially what USD is doing is creating a digital dollar by tokenizing and putting it on the blockchain. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, it is on Luno platform. So then I'm going to show you how you can buy USDC on Luno, and also how you can buy with ZAR to USDC. If you think the ZAR is going to drop against the dollar, for example, you can transfer your ZAR into USDC. So you moving your ZAR into a dollar. So if you think the ZAR is going to drop against the dollar, putting your money into the into a dollar, for example, you can do this on Luno. So I'm going to show you how you can do that today. So first of all, you're going to have to fund your account with ZAR. Like you have seen here, I fund my account with 200 Rand of ZAR. So now I want to buy myself some USDC, or let's just say some dollar. So you'll go at the bottom of the thing, this is a new wallet, so you're gonna have to add it. At the bottom you're gonna say add wallet, you're gonna add the USDC wallet. So as you can see, I already added it and I already have some USDC. I bought $14. There's $14, yes, as you can see it's $14. So $14 in South African Rand today is 230 Rand, not a lot. So today I'm just going to show you how you can buy some USDC. So once you have funded your account, you can go into the USDC wallet. There's going to be the options like by all the videos. If you want to learn more, there is a lot. There's a whole playlist on my Luno videos, you can check them out. So there's all the features. You can receive USDC, you can send, you can sell, you can buy. So I'm just going to do a simple market buy to show you guys today. So they're going to ask you, how would you like to pay for the USDC coin? We're also going to want with our ZAR. Well, you can see I'm going to do a little bit more. The next video is going to be where I'm going to show you how you can trade the currency pairs with USDC on Luno. So but today I'm just going to show you the simple buy on the USDC. So you're going to click ZAR. You're going to ask you how much USDC you want to buy. We're going to click, we want to buy with this. We want to say the max, so we want to buy the whole 200 Rands of ZAR to the USDC or the dollar. So you'll click max. You're going to say this once off. You're going to say next. They're going to ask, you're going to see, you're going to receive 12 USD, $12 for the 200 Rand of ZAR we have. You're going to have a service charge of 4 Rand. You're going to you spend 200 Rand. You're going to say confirm. Now they're going to ask you if you have set up your security right. They're going to ask you for the PIN. As you can see, mission success. You have successfully bought $12 of USDC. As you can see, if we go back to our US, we approximately have 400 Rand of USD. So if you wanted to see as the dollar is weakening against the ZAR, you can always sell your USDC again and buy back some ZAR. So if you think the ZAR compared to the USD, like the ZAR is getting stronger, you can buy you can sell USD. But now if it's the opposite, if the rand is becoming weaker, you can always buy some more USDC. So this is like this feature Luno, you can always compare the two. You can fluctuate. So it's like, you can say it's like forex in Luno, but you're doing it with the stablecoin. It's in that range. So that was today's short video. If you've learned something new in today's video, make sure to subscribe and also check out the learn page. Like I said, always do your own research in this space and always try to improve your knowledge on this topic. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check out the next video on this, where I'm going to show you the full cryptocurrency pairs on the USDC. So until next time, peace out.